Hi, my name is Ronald Atwere and I'm the cloud captain here at Makerere University. And today we shall have a hands-on introduction to Amazon Bedrock. And I'm glad that you've joined us for today. And we shall see how you can actually get started with AI on Amazon. And let's do this. So think of Amazon Bedrock as a fully managed service where you can come and build applications using pre-trained models. So what do I mean? Think of it as something like if you're coming up to build maybe your powerful application chatbot, image assistant or image generator and all that. Think of it as Lego blocks for AI that snap together different models, and you can actually even do a multi-agents and collaborate accordingly with applications or with the different agents that you actually even get to build with the base models and the foundation models. So why Amazon in the first place? So Amazon basically, the Bedrock helps us to have pre-trained models. That means you're using the existing models from maybe Cloud, Anthropic, maybe you're using Meta's models, maybe you're using GPT, and all these other models. You can access all of them basically on the platform on AWS console, and you can also have no hassle for infrastructure. That means Amazon manages everything for you, and you can fully customize according to your data. That is basically if you're doing like a RAG chatbot, and you can actually get started giving it context and information on how you can actually get your output from that model. So without further ado, I'm going to take you through the hands-on how you can actually get started shortly and quickly on the Amazon console. So assuming you already created your AWS account, so you just come to console.aws.amazon, login, and here you can go to all services under the menu. Then you scroll down to machine learning, then you choose Bedrock. So when you choose Bedrock, it will redirect you to the home page for Bedrock, and here you can actually get started with using Bedrock services. And you don't need really a lot of machine learning experience to get started. Most of these things are straightforward. You can have access to different models, tweak settings. Here you can have builder tools, for example, like prompt management and knowledge bases, agents, flows, and you can get started maybe with a playground. So I can click on the playground and then select models. So for me, I already have access to these models. Yours would look like this. You might have to click on this request access to the services. So since I already have access, I could just maybe select Nova Pro and then click apply. So when I click apply, I could be able now to continue with prompting. I could just say hello. So this is basically generative text or generative AI. So here you can actually see that we have some output. So you do not need a lot of experience. Here you can just tweak using different sliders of the environment, but you can also see that you can go back and build something cool for yourself, maybe like an agent or that basically using this interface. And remember, it is fully it's a managed service, so you can even get started with agents, workflows, and these other foundation models that you can deploy. So when you're trying to get access to the models, you will have to maybe have reasons why you want access to those models. And now for me, I already have submitted my information, but I could select on Meta and maybe show you in case you see these are the models you will be accessing, and you agree to terms and conditions. And now mine is a two-step because I already have submitted my information. So yours, I will show maybe 3 steps to show that you actually even tell why you need access to maybe these models. Then you click next, then submit. And that's it for this tutorial, and thank you so much for joining us today's Tech Talk, and we hope to see you in person for our next cloud event. And bye bye. Join the AWS cloud here at Makerere University, and see you in the next one.